but few awaken our soul. What you are about to witness, it is not just a dance, it is a powerful expression, tradition and divine energy. Rooted deeply in the rich culture of coastal Karnataka, Brahma Kalasha represents purity, power and the sacred bond between human, nature and the divine. This performance draws inspiration from the legendary film Kantara, which reminds us our roots, our land and respect to our culture. Brahma Kalasha is not merely a ritual, it is an expression of faith, discipline and surrender, where every beat of the drum echoes ancient traditions. With intense rhythm, powerful expressions, energetic movements, this dance reflects devotion, courage and force for spiritual protected. As the music rises, feel the divine presence as the steps thunder, the witness of the spirit come alive. This performance is tribute to our tradition, folk tradition and our ancestors and the timeless cultural heritage of Karnataka. So sit back, feel the rhythm and let the energy of the Brahma Kalasha take over your senses. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to the witness and raw energy of the Brahma Kalasha dance. Now we welcome 6th and 7th girls to burst the stage.
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಶಿವನೇ ಭಕ್ತಿದಾರಿಯು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಶಿವನೇ ಭಕ್ತಿದಾರಿಯು ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವುದೊಂದೇ ದೈವ ಬಾರಿಯು ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವುದೊಂದೇ ದೈವ ಬಾರಿಯು ಉಳ್ಳಾಯ ನಿನ್ನ ನಿಲತಡகு ವಿದಡುಂದಮಾಯ ಸನ್ನಿಧಿಗೆ ಕಾಪು ಗೊತ್ತಿಜ್ಜೆ ಶಿವನೇ ಭಕ್ತಿದಾರಿಯು
ಬೆಳಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಂದೆ ಇರುವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಬೆಳಕಲ್ಲ, ದರ್ಶನ.
What a fantastic performance.
A spectacular performance. Thank you, students, for making